We're going to the beach! Jake, I love you. I don't know if Jake and Massey are watching this in the future, but I love this guy so much. I love him so much.